Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already picked the app, so start by confirming your OS because the how and why differ. On Windows, make sure numlock is on. Laptops sometimes hide the numeric keypad behind FN. On Mac OS, you won't need numlock. Once done, place the cursor where the multiplication sign is required and keep your hands near the keyboard. This saves time when switching between methods. You can type the multiplication sign on Windows with Alt plus 0215 using the numeric keypad. Hold Alt, type 0215, then release. If your laptop lacks a dedicated keypad, open the on-screen keyboard or the character map app, find times, and click Select Copy. Once copied, paste it where needed. Make sure to test in your target app because some programs intercept Alt. On a Mac, type Option plus Shift plus 9 for the multiplication sign in many apps. If that doesn't work, open the emoji and symbols viewer with Control plus Command plus Space. Search for multiplication and double-click times to insert. Once inserted, make sure font and encoding support the symbol to avoid boxes or fallback characters. If you hit trouble, copy times from a plain text document and paste it into your target. That single troubleshooting step resolves shortcut conflicts and app-specific limitations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.